If you publish long videos for work or as a hobby, maybe on platforms like YouTube, but then want to create shorter versions for social media such as TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you know that doing it manually isn't exactly easy. That's why a dedicated tool is needed. This might be the video for you because I'm about to show you my review of SnapCut. SnapCut is a tool that does exactly this. It transforms long and often boring videos into short ones, automatically adding animated subtitles, just like what you see everywhere on social media, in just a few clicks. I know it's not the only tool of its kind, but I want to review it because these days you can find it on AppSumo. So with a single payment you can use it for life. First, welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy these videos, click like and subscribe to the channel because many more reviews will be coming in the next few weeks. Let's take a quick look at the AppSumo page where SnapCut is featured. I'll scroll through it very quickly, but what matters is getting straight to the offer. We'll review it quickly now and in more detail later. There are 3 plans to choose from, with the only difference being the number of minutes you can process and upload to the platform each month: 200, 500 and 1650. All options include features such as AI auto selection of best cuts, auto reframe, auto captions with subtitles available in 20 languages, and supports editing without watermarks up to 4K resolution. You can export in different ratios and also allows the use of premium and custom brand templates. Again, we'll review this offer in detail later, but let's also take a quick tour of SnapCut's official website. I really like this site, it's quite fun and colorful, which gives me a good first impression. We know that videos for social media, especially short versions, often need to be engaging and visually appealing, so I'd say they nailed the design of their website. Now, let's compare the official pricing with what's available on AppSumo. There is a free plan, the Spark plan, but in this case there are certain limitations, of course, and the deal is only available for a limited time. It won't last forever, it's really just intended to let you try out this tool. Then we have the starter account, which includes 150 minutes processed per month, and then there is the Pro account, starting at 300 minutes of video processed per month with 4K resolution and many more options. Naturally, based on your needs, you can upgrade to more minutes and higher prices. As you can see below, moving this slider adds more processed minutes per month and the price changes accordingly. By choosing an annual subscription, the price adjusts slightly, making them a bit lower. These are the official prices, so you can compare them with the AppSumo packages, which are actually very different. They don't have the same names as the official plans, but let's take the Pro plan as a reference, since AppSumo also mentions 4K quality. Note that 4K quality is only included in the Pro account, while the starter account is limited to 1080p. Now, let's try entering the platform and see how it works. Okay, here's the first screen that appears after signing up. In SnapCut, I can input an URL that could be from YouTube, so a video already published on YouTube, or a video from Loom, Facebook, or even Vimeo. There are plenty of opportunities to transform a long video into a short one. There are some specifics mentioned below. Currently, our magic works best with talking videos, and we are striving to be as inclusive as possible. There is also an interactive demo available for those interested. The ideal videos to process include podcasts, motivational speeches, reviews, commentary videos, and learning videos. It doesn't work well for vlogs, gaming videos, or music videos. Below we can see a list of all the supported platforms: YouTube, Dailymotion, Facebook, Instagram, Loom, Twitch, Dropbox and Vimeo. interesting. Before pasting a link, let's also take a look at the Brand Studio. Here you can upload your logos and brand-related content to use them in your videos. I can add a logo or a call to action. I can upload the visual overlays or even actual videos like intros, outros, or something short and similar. Let's return to the dashboard. The interface is really simple, it's impossible to go wrong. There aren't 1,000 options for now, so there's only one thing to do, which is to paste the video link. For the sake of this example, I've chosen this video published on OpenAI's channel. It could be a great example. It's not very long, just 4 minutes and 18 seconds, and it's a talking video with 2 people speaking. I want to see how SnapCut handles editing this video to create short clips. I copy the link, paste it into SnapCut, and then the only thing I can do is click this button. Of course, I need to select some parameters, such as the English language. It's also possible to add a translation, which I won't do in this case, but it's an option. I can also select the no clipping option, which means no clip will be extracted from the video and the full length will be preserved. I suppose this parameter makes more sense if you're doing the translation. Of course, we're talking about subtitle translation and not audio translation. Otherwise, enabling it doesn't make sense in my opinion. I click on Generate and here the processing begins. Of course, these 4 minutes and 19 seconds will be deducted from my plan, from the minutes I have in the plan. In this case I had 60 and now it's down to 55, so you need quite a few minutes if you have to work with a lot of videos in 1 month, and this is of course useful for deciding which SnapCut plan to activate. You can also close this page and you'll receive an email once the project has been generated. It also shows me the number of credits used. Of course, 5 credits correspond to 5 minutes. This one was 4 minutes and 19 seconds, but it's calculated as 5 minutes. Okay, it took a few minutes, but now I have the green bar, so the project is complete. I close this window, and here I have my project below. I also have this menu, which is simply for deleting it, but instead I click here. And here I find myself in the editing section, because here I can review all the clips and potentially edit them. There is also this score, though I'm not exactly sure what it means. It gives a score of 76 out of 100. This is probably a score that the program automatically assigns to each clip. This one, for example, is 83, so a little higher. Below I have video editing features, video download. With the Pro plan it's possible to download the SRT file of the subtitles, and you can also download the raw video with the Pro plan.
Okay, I think you asked us if we'd like to practice more about what we like to...
Here is the transcript. Of course, let's see what happens if I click on Edit Video. And here it takes me to another page, the actual editing page. So once I've chosen the clip I like the most, I can go here and do some editing, such as changing the font of the text. There are several fonts here. You can change the text color. In this case, the green on white is really hard to see. You can edit the theme, and here too there's the font, the weight, the color, the size, the shadow. Other parameters can be modified, and you can also save it as a template. You can choose whether the animation should be simple, or there are other options such as box, slide left, slide up, pop up. So here you can choose the subtitle animation. I will leave it on simple. Here instead there is just a quick selection of some parameters. There is also the highlight color that can be chosen, so the main color and second color. You can choose whether to enable or disable the animation. Let's try to see the preview from here.
Okay, I think you asked us if we'd like to practice more about what we like to do.
Okay, so let's try to modify it slightly by choosing these. Let's maybe change the color. So in the main color, let's try making it red. Okay, and the second color, let's make it white. white, but in this case the text color is hard to see. Let's try changing it to green, but it's still hard to see in this case. So let's modify the color again. Let's say this template is quite difficult to configure unless I'm making a mistake, so let's choose this one, which is also nice. Let's make it a little bigger, and we have quickly modified the caption text.
Okay, I think you asked us if we'd like to practice more about what we like to do.
Okay, let's quickly try to change the theme, or rather the animation, and we'll make it a scale up. Let's see what changes.
Okay, I think you asked us if we'd like to practice more about what we like to do.
It's slightly different from before. Let's try another one and try the box.
Okay, I think you asked us if we'd like to practice more about what we like to do.
I pretty like this one. And again, you can make edits. There are also templates, custom ones of course. Here is the subtitle section, and here you can edit any word within the captions. The brand studio, so here you can use the brand elements that we saw earlier that can be uploaded. Then interestingly, there is a B-roll section, although in reality I don't see any way to use the B-roll here. I don't know if it's an option they still need to implement or if I'm just missing something, it could be. But in theory, this section is supposed to, or will be used to automatically add B-roll to this video. It's also possible to modify the position and centering of the person in the video, and of course choose the format, which can be portrait, square, landscape for the 16:9 aspect ratio. I still need to understand this B-roll part, which I haven't fully grasped, but the rest of the platform is very simple to use and very fast. Here I can save the draft to work on it later, or I can download it and then upload the video to social media. I also found the roadmap. It's not full of features yet, but let's take a look here. They say that the B-roll video templates are already available, so it's probably my fault if I couldn't find them within the tool, but there are some things that will be added soon, like social media scheduling, drag and drop editing for timeline elements, AI-generated images, which is very interesting, allowing users to use custom prompts to create short versions of videos, AI-generated subtitles, and social media posts, as well as an analytics section. I must say these are all great features that they can implement, and according to the roadmap they will be. And so there will be many more AI tools within SnapCut. Of course, like all the tools available on AppSumo, they are initially in their early stages, so you have to trust them, bet on the platform, and grab such a tool that will surely become much more powerful over time, but with a lifetime price, so a small price. Let's take another look at the AppSumo page and check out the details of this lifetime deal, which starts at $49. At the moment there are no reviews because it has just been launched on the platform a few hours ago, so plans and features, let's take a look. The lifetime deal includes all the features of the Pro plan. You must activate the license within 60 days, and you can also change your plan within 60 days. So you can start with Tier 1, and if you're satisfied, upgrade to Tier 2 or Tier 3 within 60 days. And of course, there's always the 60-day money-back guarantee. So, auto-selection of best clips, auto-reframe, auto-captions in 20 languages, edit captions, the ability to edit subtitles, no watermark, resolution up to 4K, you can select the subtitle style, which we've seen, and they will probably add more styles. Videos are saved for 90 days in SnapCut's cloud. You can create videos in different ratios, download the raw videos and upload your logos, images or videos for your brand, plus the features we've seen in the roadmap that will be added very soon. The plans are very simple, there are just 3, and the only thing that changes is the number of minutes you can process each month. With 200, for example, you can upload videos up to 200 minutes long to create short videos. Of course, 200 minutes is in total, and this is the $49 plan. With $109 lifetime, you get 500 minutes per month that can be processed. At $229, it's the highest plan with 1,650 minutes you can process each month. This depends on your needs, so if you have many videos, produce a lot of long videos, and want to generate many short clips, the Tier 3 plan is the best in this case. If you use it at an amateur level or produce a few videos, Tier 1 might be enough. There are already some reviews on Product Hunt, there's an FAQ section, you can check it for yourself, and let's see the questions here. I see someone asked for B-roll, but there's still no response. They will also have the possibility to remove filler words, which will probably be added later, they say. But as I mentioned before, when you buy a tool like this on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, you have to accept that the tool is in its early stage, and unfortunately sometimes accept the tool might not be successful in the future. It has happened, and unfortunately it will happen again. AppSumo is trying to get their higher quality partners on the platform. Personally, it seems to me that this tool is still good, it's easy to use, very fast, very simple, it does what it needs to do for now, not much more, but surely new features will be added in the future. So, this is SnapCut, you've seen how it works. Of course, if you want to take advantage of the lifetime deal offer, there's a link you can click. It's below in the description, very simple. You'll arrive on this page and you can take advantage of the lifetime offer with a 60-day money-back guarantee. And we know this guarantee is one of the best big advantages of buying these softwares on AppSumo. I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful for you, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and of course, if you want, you can click here and watch for some other content on my channel. Thank you very much, and as always, I'll see you soon in the next one.